Today is the 5th day, and I believe by now, yes, I believe by now somebody should be shouting, oh my God, oh my God. Like somebody should be shouting, I feel good, I feel good. You know, it's never too late to learn how to read and write, okay? If you are not opportune to do that at a younger stage, when your peers were doing that, you still have time right now, okay? It is never too late for you to learn, okay? So if you're interested in learning how to read and write, you can join the 31 days journey, okay? The journey has just begun. This is the day 5 of this journey. You still have time to join, and if you want to join us, you can actually watch day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, so that you can be up to date. Welcome to day 5 of our 31 days journey. How have you been? How are you doing today? How has the journey been so far? Hope you're finding every part of this lesson interesting. So as usual, we're going to be starting with our word pronunciation. I hope you came prepared. So let's dive right into the video. So here are the list of words we're going to be using to compile our comprehension for today. So let's read together. Agriculture, agriculture. Commercial, commercial. Farming, farming, farming. Described, described, described. Large, large, large. Scale, scale, scale. Usual, usual, usual. Mechanized, mechanized, mechanized. Displace, displace, displace. Existence, 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 existence. Peasant, peasant, peasant. Farmers, farmers, farmers. Create, create, create. Surplus, surplus, surplus. Labor, labor, labor. Absorption, absorption, absorption. Expand, expand, expand. Export, export, export. Foreign, foreign, foreign. Exchange, exchange, exchange. Economy, economy, economy. Purchase, purchase, purchase. Impute, impute, impute. Contribute, contribute, contribute. Industrialization, industrialization, industrialization. Country, country, country. Commercial, commercial, commercial. Capital, capital, capital. Intensive, intensive, intensive. Allied, allied, allied. Activity, activity, activity. Spare, spare, spare. Maintenance,
maintenance, maintenance. Machine, 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 machine. Possible, possible, possible. Generated, generated, generated. Support, support, support. Increase, increase, increase. Output, output, output. Basic, basic, basic. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Stable, stable, stable. Contributes, contributes, contributes. Compete, compete, compete. Similar, similar, similar. International, international, international. Output, output, output. All right, so let's look at some 2-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter words that we can possibly see on today's comprehension. So let's read them together. Be, as, in, it, of, to. Be, as, in, it, of, to. These are 2-letter words. Now let's look at the threes. Can, and, for. The, are, raw, row. Can, and, for. The, are, row, raw. The 4 letters: lead, food, help, keep, cost, wage. This, make, more, agro, base, crop, aim, use, form, farm, part, tend, sum. Again, lead, food, help, keep, cost, wage. This, make, more, agro, base, crop, aim, use, form, farm, part, tend, and sum. So these are the 2, 3, and 4 letters you're likely going to be seeing on today's comprehension.
Now we are done with the phrase 1. Let's see the phrase 2, where we put together all the words and read the comprehension.
So this is the outcome of the words we have pronounced. So we have this comprehension, and the topic is agriculture. So we're going to be looking at agriculture, okay? So very first thing there is commercial farming. Commercial farming. This can be described as large-scale farming and usually mechanized agriculture production for the market where food produce are produced in large quantity. Commercial farming, this can be described as large-scale farming and usually mechanized agriculture production for the market where food produce are produced in large quantity. It can make available more raw materials for age-based industries. It can make available more raw materials for age-based industries. It can expand the production of export crops and in foreign exchange for the economy. The foreign exchange can be used to purchase industrial inputs to contribute to the industrialization of the country. Let's go again. It can expand the production of export crops and in foreign exchange for the economy. The foreign exchange can be used to purchase industrial inputs to contribute to the industrialization of the country. Commercial farming tends to be capital intensive. Allied industrial activities in the form of production of spare parts, maintenance of farm machines, and possible production of some farm machinery can be generated to support commercial farming. Again, commercial farming tends to be capital intensive. Allied industrial activities in the form of production of spare parts, maintenance of farm machines, and possible production of some farm machinery can be generated to support commercial farming. It can lead to increase in output of basic foodstuffs, which can help to keep wages stable. This can contribute to the low-cost industrial product. It can lead to increase in output of basic foodstuffs, which can help to keep wages stable. This can contribute to the low-cost industrial product, which can compete with similar ones in the international market, which can compete with similar ones in the international market.
Don't forget, this is what we do here. It's all about English language. If you've seen me for the first time, don't make it your last. You can actually join this family simply by subscribing and turning on your notification button so that you can get to know whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Stay safe and bye for now.